The technologies we use on a daily basis, such as radar, satellites, advanced medical devices, and 5G communication and aerospace systems, are powered by high-frequency PCBs. Under demanding circumstances, these boards must provide precise signal integrity, low loss, and stability. Because of their low dielectric constant, low loss tangent, and reliable performance over a broad frequency range, premium laminates such as Rogers RO4350B, RO4003C, RO3006, and Taconic PTFE materials are the industry standard. Quality and precision are our focus and our advantage at HighPCB. They are not merely a component of the process. We adhere to stringent international standards when building each high-frequency board. And to ensure faultless outcomes, we use sophisticated inspection systems, tight impedance control, and RF performance validation. We guarantee our customers receive PCBs that are not only dependable, but also consistent, accurate, and prepared for mission-critical applications by fusing premium materials with unrivaled engineering expertise.